Hello students, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to discuss about SQL classes. Here SQL classes are divided into three types: group by clause, having clause, order by clause. Apart from this, we are going to see where clause. So today's overview will be types of clauses and example of clauses. Coming to where clause. So where clause, it is used to specify a condition. So you're fetching some data, you're getting some data from single table, or it may be a multiple table, and what it'll do is it'll return specific value from the table. So it'll fetch what records we needed. Okay, the necessary records will be fetched from that particular table. It may be single table or multiple table. We can use where clause. Okay, so where clause is not only used in select statement, but also it is used with update, delete also. Delete statements, update statement, rename statement, every statements you can use where clause. So syntax for this where clause is, syntax for where clause is select column 1, column 2, column 3. Here select statement is used with where clause. So select, you want to select some column 1 to column, and how many columns you want you can select from that particular table name, where the condition should be like, if you want to have the salary greater than 200, or the name is equal to Anita or any other name, so it will fetch that particular column. I'll give you an example here. Here let's take, I'm taking here SQL select ID, name, salary from customers. Okay, so the table is here. I'm considering this table, and from this table I'm going to perform the where clause operation. So select ID, name, salary from customer. Okay, just see. So this is the table. Okay, this is a table. From this table I'm going to select the ID, name and salary from the customer, where salary, this is the customer table. Okay, the table name is customer. Okay, from customer, where salary will be greater than 5,000. Now have a look at this table. Okay, so where is salary 5,000 greater than 5,000? Here see, 6,500 for Chaitali, Hardik got 8,500, and Mafi got 10,000. So more than 5,000, right? So this will be displayed here. See, result is the people who got, like Chaitali, Hardik, Komal, sorry, Komal will not come here because they are asking only greater than 5,000. Okay, okay, now Mafi is come. So these three peoples are having salary greater than 5,000. Just have a look here, greater than 5,000. So this will be selected and this will be displayed. Now we'll come to next thing. Next operator is and or operator. You are very well famous about this and or operator. So and what will perform? It will perform multiplication, or will perform addition, right? So here in this and operator, it will use multiple conditions. Okay, so like you can see the syntax, basic syntax of this AND operator is, it is used with where clause, because if you want to pick a condition from two things and you want to take two conditions, okay, and you want to join it, okay, so for that reason you will use AND operator. And this is the syntax: select column 1, column 2, column n, same from the table name. This is same as where clause, and here this is also same where, and here if you want to merge two condition you will use AND operator, okay. And OR operator, so OR operator what it does is, it will combine multiple conditions in SQL statements, where clause, okay. So this what will happen is, this is also used for combining multiple conditions, okay. Now we'll see the difference between AND and OR operator with an example. So this is the syntax, okay. Now we'll just have a look at the example. So here you can see I've done AND operation here. SQL select ID, name, salary, okay. So here customer is the name of the table, customer table, salary is greater than 2000 and age is less than 25. I had set the limit and, so that it will select the person, those who are having salary greater than 2000 and age with less than 25. What will do, it will select from the table. Now check here. Check in this previous table, okay. So now we'll take this same thing, okay. Now select ID, okay, I've selected ID, name, salary from customers, okay, I've selected that, and the salary should be great. Salary should be greater than 2000. Just look at here. Greater than 2000 is 6500, 8500, 4500 and 10,000. Okay. Then age is less than 25. So the less than 25 age is only one, Komal, right? 25. Okay. And Komal and Muffy are having the same thing. Okay. So that will be displayed here. See. Now you can see Komal and Muffy is displayed here. Same way in the case of OR condition. OR condition you just have same, you will have OR. So what will happen? Okay, where salary is greater than 2000 should be there, or else age should be less than 25. So any one will be selected. Okay, in the case of AND, it will consider both the condition and select the values. But in the case of OR condition, if this also, if it may be a salary or it may be age, anything is fine here. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.